Extra rows, just the one there. Half the thing.
Oh, you didn't have to do that. Thank you. Oh, that's nice of you. Thank you. Don't leave it chocolate. Oh, God.
Aileron test. Flaps set for takeoff.
Please watch the safety video carefully, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aeroplane is different. If you're listening to a personal device, please remove your headsets now. If you're reading, please pause for a few minutes and give us your full attention. In the unlikely event of a change in cabin pressure, the oxygen mask will fall down from the panel above your head. If you're wearing a protective face mask, this must be removed. Then quickly pull the oxygen mask downwards, place it over your nose and mouth with the straps around your head and adjust to fit. Breathe normally and adjust the straps to secure. Make sure your own oxygen mask is fitted before helping others. If your screen is in your armrest, please take it out now. Once this safety video has finished, please put away your screen again for takeoff. If you need any help, please let us know. Thank you.
Taking off from 05 left. It has been all morning anyway. Sorry if the camera's a bit bumpy, it's literally in my hand, it's just my phone. So.
Welcome to your flight with TUI. Whether it's your first flight or your 50th, do take a moment to look and listen as we talk you through the magic of flying. Please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Putting your seatbelt on is easy. Simply clip it together, then adjust it by pulling on the strap. To take it off,
I love the winglet on the Virgins. Nice curve up.
It's not very likely,
elegant.
but if there's an emergency, get into the brace position. Your cabin crew are now pointing out the emergency exits. Have a look and count the rows to your nearest exit, because you never know, it might be behind you. And if you need help finding your way, follow the low-level lights, and they'll lead you to an exit. If an oxygen mask drops down, pull down firmly towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. And remember to put yours on first before giving anyone else a hand. life jacket either under your seat, beneath your center armrest, or inside your leg rest. Put it on over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and clip the buckle. Adjust the strap so it's firm but not too tight. The life jacket will inflate when you pull sharply on the red toggle or toggles. For more information on the type of life jackets and oxygen masks, check your safety card. And if you need more air, blow into the tube. Be sure to wait until you're outside the aeroplane before inflating your life jacket. If you're traveling with an infant and haven't been given a life jacket yet, let a crew member know now. Just remember to return it at the end of the flight. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes, isn't allowed anywhere on board at any time. Please make sure all mobile phones and handheld devices are switched to flight mode. Bigger electronic items like laptops need to be switched off and stowed securely in your hand luggage and placed either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Sometimes things in the overhead compartments can move around during the flight, so be sure to
Actually, a
avoid
nice
the
day
bump
area
ahead
over in
by
England.
opening them carefully. And if
Be
the
nice
crew
room on
asks you to
Seagull
leave the
or-
aeroplane urgently, remember to leave all of your hand luggage behind. We're just about ready for takeoff, so make sure your seatbelt is fastened, your seat is upright, your window blind is up or clear, and your tray table is stowed away. For more information about this flight's emergency procedures, have a look at the safety card. And if you're sitting in an exit row, please pay special attention to the exit operation. Thanks so much for listening, and from all of us at TUI, we wish you a magical flight. TUI, discover your smile.
Yeah, we're definitely going for a 5 left. Take off.
I emailed them and they didn't reply.
Full use of the full runway. Sorry, I thought you were going to sit out there, but clearly not. Ryanair, just coming. Can't actually see, but I think we might be number 1 up now, I think. Don't think there's anybody else in front of us. it's not often at all that we come this way when we fly. It's always 23 left. It's a nice little left turn there. If anybody recognises anything though, just give me a shout. What I've missed. Actually see the shadow down there. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs are switched off. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is switched off in case we incur any turbulence during the flight. Please take care when opening the overhead stowage compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. This is a no-smoking flight. This includes e-cigarettes, vapes and those nicotine products that resemble cigarettes. As a reminder, charging of these devices and their batteries is not permitted on board. Any electronic devices which are charging must be monitored at all
Looking off
times.
for a bit. I'll do some more videos
While the
later.
crew will
Bye.
do